Hello, everyone. Coming here to you live. Um, we just wanted to do a very quick announcement. It's very important information for you. A few months ago, we have just launched just launched the update of the episode. The new update is a major update, so it's actually been on the works for I think probably over 2 years. So it's a major update and it's just new features. So we had a few technical issues because of the major update, but it's finally out now. And I thought I'd just share that news with you. And if you do have Visuals to Go and you're enjoying Visuals to Go, I suggest before you make the update, please make a backup, okay? Because although we've tested it numerous times, and from the existing version to the new update, and it seems like everything's working fine. Numerous times we've tested, but you just don't know. Okay, so best to make a backup. We really hate to see you lose any of your users' information on there. So very important. Make that backup. And if you have any issues, any glitches at all, please message me. I will do my best, my team, and I will do my best to help support you in this transition and to help you with any technical issues that may be occurring. So that's one thing. The other thing is I just want to let you know I'm about to hold, I'm setting up every 2 weeks. There's going to be a support and training session of Visuals to Go. So I thought during this time it's probably best to, offer you that training, offer you that support. You can bring your devices in, and if you have any questions regarding it or any ideas and how to further progress your child or yourself in using it, feel free to join. As you can see in our times on the side, we're holding fortnightly support sessions starting next week from Wednesday, 23rd of October, 10 a.m. if you are in Australia, so Australian Eastern Standard Time, or on Tuesday, the 22nd, 7 p.m. if it's Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so keep those in your diary. You do have to register for this event unless you just plan to watch it on Facebook Live, because I do plan to stream it on Facebook Live as well. But if you want to be notified and wish to use our on Zoom platform, which is probably clearer and more personal as well, I think. So yeah, you do need to register for that, and you can participate as well. If you're in the Zoom, you're live, and I'll be able to see your face, so you'll be able to participate in it as well. Whereas Facebook Live is a little bit difficult because the only thing I see is your text messaging. So I don't know if actually anyone is live here at the moment on Facebook Live. Just let me have a quick check. I'm still trying to get my grasp on linking Zoom with Facebook Live. So please bear with me if I taking my time. But yeah, oh, well, here we go. Okay, so if there's any comments, I haven't got any comments yet, but if you are watching, please feel free to comment. Let me know that whether you are interested in the support and training sessions. Just respond with yes, okay? And it'll just let me know to see how many people are actually going to attend. And also, please comment where you're from, even what you do, who you're supporting Visuals to Go with. And if you're a user yourself, let me know as well. So yeah, I'll be providing training in the new update of Visuals to Go, how you can use it. I don't have too much time at the moment to train you in that, but I thought I'd share this anyway. I'll be explaining a lot more on its uses. The new update is fantastic. I'm sure a lot of you would love it. It's got things like a YouTube link integration, so you'll be able to grab the YouTube link and put it into the app, and it will play itself. What else has it got? It's got over 1 million images added into it. It's got a very easy feature to search for cars and then add it straight to the library. So yeah, there's lots of things happening in this new version. This is not version 2, by the way. There is a version 2 in the making, which would be Android and iPhone, iOS compatible, but that's not going to be out till possibly January. So this is an update of the existing version. If you like it, please let me know. If you don't like it, also let me know. Your feedback is very valuable. But that's about it. I will put a Zoom link for you to register in the comment below. So please register so I know who's attending, and it will help me also to prepare my sessions. So if there are actually anything that you'd like to know or learn, or anything you're having difficulties with, please also write in the comment. So that way it will help me to prepare my sessions before you come on. That's it for me. I do have to run, but I hope to see you soon. And yeah, hope you like the new update. God bless you. Bye for now.